If you've been scrolling through health forums or TikTok lately, you've probably seen the buzz around methylene blue, a bright blue compound that's suddenly being called a miracle molecule for the brain and body. Some users claim it boosts focus, energy, and even longevity, while others call it the best cognitive enhancer of 2026. But is methylene blue truly a groundbreaking supplement, or is this just another online trend blown out of proportion? Let's find out. As someone who reviews supplements, nootropics, and emerging biohacks, I've learned that hype doesn't always match science. I've reviewed everything from classic brain boosters like alpha-GPC to modern adaptogens and mitochondrial enhancers. When I noticed methylene blue trending again, now in supplement form, I decided to look deeper. I researched its origins, clinical studies, safety data, and user experiences to see whether this compound actually deserves the attention it's getting. Companies selling methylene blue supplements make several strong claims. Cognitive enhancement, they say it improves focus, clarity, and short-term memory. Cellular energy boost, supposedly increases mitochondrial efficiency for better physical and mental stamina. Neuroprotection and longevity, some marketers go as far as calling it anti-aging for your brain. Mood and mental health support, said to reduce brain fog and mild depressive symptoms. These claims sound impressive, but how much of it is actually backed by science? What it is. Methylene blue is not new. It's been used for over a century in medical settings, mainly as a dye and treatment for certain blood disorders like methemoglobinemia. Recently, researchers have been exploring its effects at very low doses for brain health and mitochondrial function. Scientific backing. Some early studies do show potential. Low-dose methylene blue has been linked to improved mitochondrial efficiency and reduced oxidative stress in neurons. It may help protect brain cells from aging-related decline and support energy metabolism. However, these studies are small and often conducted in animals, not humans. There is still no large-scale, long-term clinical evidence proving it works as a daily supplement for focus or longevity. Dosage and safety? Here's where things get tricky. The line between a therapeutic and toxic dose of methylene blue is thin. High doses can cause nausea, headaches, and even serotonin syndrome if combined with antidepressants. The supplement industry doesn't always regulate purity or dosage accurately, which makes safety a real concern. User reports. Many users online claim to feel more alert, motivated, and mentally clear after taking microdoses of methylene blue. Others report no noticeable effects or mild side effects such as digestive discomfort or staining of the tongue and urine. Some experts warn that self-administering methylene blue without guidance can be risky since the compound interacts with several medications. Product quality. Not all methylene blue supplements are pharmaceutical grade. Some are repurposed from lab chemicals and may contain impurities unsafe for human consumption. Trusted products should always specify that they are USP or pharmaceutical grade and intended for internal use. So is methylene blue the best supplement of 2026? The answer is not yet. While the science behind it is intriguing and early evidence suggests potential benefits for brain energy and neuroprotection, the current research is still too limited to call it a proven miracle compound. If you're an experienced biohacker or a curious user exploring mitochondrial health, methylene blue could be worth cautious experimentation, but only at safe microdosed levels and from verified pharmaceutical-grade sources. For the average person seeking focus and energy, there are safer and better researched options available. Pros: promising research, potential cognitive and cellular benefits, noticeable effects for some users. Cons: limited clinical data, safety risks with improper use, and inconsistent supplement quality. In short, methylene blue is not a scam, but it's not the ultimate brain supplement either. It's a fascinating compound with real scientific potential, yet still in the early stages of human application. Use it carefully, respect the dosage, and don't believe the hype until more studies confirm what this blue booster can truly do.